Okay, so I would like to go over a recent update that we pushed to the system. So first I will go over the new promotions system. So to find that, you can go to marketing and that'll take you to promotions. This was previously discounts and you can think of it as the exact same. So the stuff that we have added is in here when you go to add a promotion, and now you'll see discount as well as loyalty. So now you can select a loyalty type, and then you can do these two options, either bonus points or multiplier. So the bonus points will add the given amount of points to either the item or the cart, and then the multiplier will multiply the points earned by the amount entered on either the cart or the item as well. So all of the discounts on this page are the exact same. You can still do your triggers, and we still have all of the same options here. The only addition is just the loyalty promotion type. Okay, so with this new promotion type, we can do cool things like bonus point Tuesday. And what we'll do is we'll make this a loyalty promotion. We'll make it a multiplier, and we'll say it's 2 times the normal points that they would usually get. And then we'll do this on the cart. And then what we'll do is we'll add a trigger. So we'll say schedule and Tuesday. So now this discount is a loyalty promotion. It's a 2 times multiplier on the cart, and it will automatically get applied every Tuesday. You'll click this and you'll be good to go. The other thing that has changed with this update is the ability to merge 2 patient or customer profiles together. So to get there, we can click on patients, and over here on your left side you'll see merge accounts. That'll take you to this page, and you can then search for your main account. So let's say that that's this one. So you'll select that, and then you'll search for your duplicate. So let's say the duplicate is this one. From here you can hit merge accounts, and that will merge both of these accounts together. So a few things to note. The main account is going to keep all of its information. The only thing that would possibly change is if this duplicate account has loyalty points, then those points will then be added to this account when you merge them. Another thing to point out is that when you merge these accounts, the duplicate account, all of the transaction history is going to get copied over to the main account. So when you merge them, this main account is going to have all of the transaction history from both of these accounts. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to contact us. You can find our contact info here on the support page, or if you'd like, you can send us over a suggestion. Thanks.